everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with some happy mail, yay! So this one is from Miss Judy Baker, and I received this a few weeks ago and I couldn't find it. Oh my goodness, I had gotten it and I put it in my room, and my room is still a mess. So I finally found it, yay! Because I've been cleaning, it's cleaning, organizing, crafting, making a big mess, cleaning, yeah. Anyway, so this is so nice of Miss Judy to send me a card. She really didn't have to, but thank you, Miss Judy. And as soon as I open it, I will show you guys what it is. And I do have a letter opener somewhere around here, but somehow this one always makes its way. So, oh, look at this, you guys. Can you guys see that? Oh my goodness. That is so cute. I love this paper collection. Wow, I love the layering. So she did a double layer. It's the cardstock. She put the bottom for the base, and then she put the card, and it's so simple. It's just a simple card, and that is it. And let me see. Aww. So there you go. And it does say, life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. So thank you, Miss Judy. And I so understand what this card is for. So I'm not gonna say no more. We're learning how to dance. So anyways, this one is again, thank you, Miss Judy. Oh my goodness. I have a tendency of forgetting to say thank you, and I will link Miss Judy down on the description below. And again, she's my scrapbook loft, and I got this package. I was expecting an envelope. Kim from Kim's Inspired Life here on YouTube and on Instagram joined Mine and Trees collab, and it's basically we are doing die cuts each Monday and sharing what we die cut, and we ourselves are doing a giveaway, sending out envelope full of die cuts. And I'm still waiting for Miss Cindy Ann to contact me so I could send her first winnings for my first week, and I will be having a drawing for the second one. And anyway, so let's go ahead and see what Miss Kim sent. And thank you, Miss Kim or Kimberly Cochran for joining on our collab. She even joined the first week, and thank you for joining the second week. And it's let's do die cutting Mondays, I believe is what we call it. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so anyways, let's go ahead and see what die cuts, because she did say she was gonna send me and Tree a set of die cuts, and she actually sent more than die cuts. Sorry, it got stuck in the envelope. Okay, so I didn't want to turn it around. Let me see if I was gonna say, let me see if I can turn it around and show you guys the cute decorations that she put on here. So she likes to use stickers, and that's something I always forget to do. So this is an awesome way to use your stickers as well. And I do apologize for not showing the whole thing. I don't want to show her address and my address for security reasons. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what she sent. And oh, look at that, I ruined the paper. Ooh, she sent me an envelope. This is a pocket envelope or a loaded envelope. There you go. Oh my goodness. So there you go. As you guys can see how cute. She did amazing. Look at, she put, I was gonna make sure if I could pull this out. So she put a ticket die cut right here. As you can see, there's the little scallops right there, and she put bling around it. And oh my goodness, and then she put a ticket behind it, and she put some hearts around it with the little, this is a mini cupcake holder, a mini cupcake liner. There you go. Oh my goodness. And this, she did this layering, so cute. Look at Miss Kim. She just actually started crafting not too long ago. So she is doing amazing, and just, you know, she just has been joining so many collaborations. She has been, you know, this one's mine, sorry. She's been joining, you know, she's been very supportive to a lot of our crafters. And okay, I was going to pull everything out, but then I'll go ahead and put this. So here are the die cuts. I remember her seeing these. Oh my goodness. So I'm doing a different videotaping setup, so do apologize if I'm all over the place. I'm always all over the place. So these are so cute. Look at these, the banners. I don't think I have a kite die. And then she has some lips in here. And let me see. Oh, I don't want to ruin the beautiful wrapping. And then she has a sticker right there, bear, and it says hugs, love this die. Oh my goodness. And look at the tassel. That's why I don't want to open it, because you guys, I have to do a tour of my room, and you guys will see that I have plastic containers full of a lot of the stuff that you guys send me, because I don't want to use them, but so totally have to use it. And it's so cute, and I love these lips, so cute. Okay, and then she sent me some stickers. Thank you. These will work so well with summer. These right here, even the strawberry, and I will add a different eye. I have eye somewhere right here. And then, oh, look at this. My soul find rest in God, my hopes comes from him. Today's prayers. So she does I believe she used to, I'm not too sure if she still does, the devotional prayer she used to do. I know she used to go to church every so often. I think it was Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I could be wrong, but this is so cute. Let your light shine before others. Matthew 5:16. So you are telling me something right here, Miss Kim, and I will have these out here for me to look at. And then look at what she did. Really? Oh my goodness, thank you so much. And I could have my chai tea latte. I love coffee, but oh my gosh, these tassels are so cute. Look at you guys. Oh my goodness. And I know she's been doing her paper tassels and everything. And look at these. Oh my goodness. I tell you, she's becoming an expert on crafting. Oh my goodness. So thank you, Miss Kim. Oh, I'm going to be using this pretty soon. And then she used a, what is it called? A journaling card. And she just added a little pocket right here. Awesome idea. Oh my gosh. You could use these, even your die cuts, you could even put them in here. Oh my goodness. And it's friend. This is such a cute tag. And she put a Brad right there. Like it. And then, oh, Angie. All the feels. It's your day. And she made little cards. Let me see if I can open this. I'm going to open this one. So these are mini, I believe they're like 3x3 cards. All I have to do is fold them and just send them out. So it will make my life easier if I remember to send out cards. Oh, so she just did the die. Oh, good. So she just did a sample, and then she added these cards. And I know she had mentioned she had been doing kits like this. So awesome. Oh, I like this. These are the like envelope, like money holders, I want to say. I'm going to be hoarding these because these are so cute. I'm not going to use these for a while. Thank you. And this one goes in here. And then she sent me a mermaid face mask. Oh, cute. I've yet to start using the ones that people have been sending me. I'm so afraid to use them. And then she sent me this cute wooden love. Oh my gosh, my battery's gonna die on my tablet. This chipboard, and oh my gosh, I have to go really fast before my phone dies, you guys. These are so cute. So she sent me little extra cardstocks of scraps. I'm assuming they're scraps that I can use, and thank you. Ooh, look at these jammies. I've been needing these mini ones, so thank you. And then she sent me all these extra items, which is amazing. Oh, and she sent me a calendar. Awesome. thank you. I've been needing a little calendar like this. Oh, thank you. It's just the paper. I'm going to put it in a pocket protector and do that and put it in there. And then she sent me this doily. And then she sent me these cute little ones. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Look at you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And she sent me some more of these. She had previously sent me these and I actually love them. Try not to use them because, oh my goodness. I love how she did this. She did a pocket here, a pocket in the middle, and a pocket on the side. Ooh, I so have to use this idea as well. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to be taking a lot of ideas. I know she's been taking ideas from other crafters as well. And hey, you guys, that's the way we have to work. We always take ideas from other crafters and use them and make them our own. And that is okay. Nobody will be upset as long as you give them credit. This is good. So today in review. So awesome. Thank you. So I could use these for, not scraps, but for like journaling books and all that. Oh my goodness, I like these. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to want to use these. I'll be honest. Oh my goodness. I might copy them. Okay, I'm on 5%, you guys. And, oh, this is her card. Happy February. Well, by the time you receive this, it's maybe March. Oh boy. Sending a few to brighten your day. Thanks again for all the gorgeous goodies you recently gifted me. Oh my gosh. Oh, Kim, really? So excited. Thank you also for hosting the die cut day. Great idea. Always inspired by you, Kim, and Kim Inspired Life. So cute card. And you guys might be cutting off because I am at 5%, so I do apologize. Thank you, ladies. I will link everybody down in the description below. Go ahead and go over, follow them, and thank you everybody for joining and following us along. Bye for now.